We have TerraLuna, symbol LUNA versus the dollar, and it's very funny because yesterday we put out a video on this one, and that it very likely makes new highs, and actually got a lot of not so happy comments about that, which is interesting. Anyways, we did get a bullish engulfing dildo close, which does lead me to believe that this breakout is real, and as we said yesterday, and I'm looking for continuation. We do have a short-term measured move implied target somewhere around about $68 or so. Probably happening over the next week or two. Again, assuming that the invalidation condition is not met, which invalidation would be had on a 4-hour closure below $48. Until that happens, I am looking for this one to trade basically up and onwards from here. I don't really have any major areas for the macro here until we get to actually a little bit above $100, which is kind of crazy. Maybe we can come up with a bit more of a short-term extension and see what the short-term areas of interest are. Okay, we got the 1618 right at that $68 number. And above there, $85 is an area of interest. And then, yeah, then we see the same $100 region. So long term, perhaps over the next month or two, I guess I am looking for $100, assuming that the invalidation condition is not met. And short term, medium term, and higher term timeframes are all kind of trending right now. We go down to the 4-hour right here. Do we see any concerning signatures? We do see some regular bearish evidence come off that last high. Now, with that in mind, I do think that it could have a short term retracement down to about 51.5 or so. But yeah, I guess long term, I'm still looking at this one is good. Yeah, it probably does come down a little bit more short term, but these are just higher lows in a general upside move on continuation for 12-hour daily and beyond. So good. Let's go see what it looks like over here, just in case. I'm curious to see what the daily looks like, especially. Yeah, daily's up as long as about $54. So I would like to see it close above $54 today in order for it to continue on with the short-term momentum on the daily. 12-hour, same thing, 52 and 14. Actually, we're above there right now. And 4-hour will turn down below 53. Interesting. So if I do start to see those sort of closures happen, I guess I'd be looking for a short-term correction first down to like 51 or so. But be aware of the invalidation condition. And I guess this one's still a long-term setup here, even though that is one hell of a chart. Powerful Luna. There you go.